Happy Easter to all my lovely, lovely friends out there. Right. Ooh, what's this? It's an Easter egg. I love Chucky. So does my girlfriend. Happy Easter, everybody. First of all, before I start anything, I'll have a bit of Chucky. Ooh. Right. Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. I'll save that for my little darling. Don't speak with your mouth full. What we got? What gift have we got in here today? Ooh. No way. A little plastic ring. There's something else in there. What's that? $0.25. It'll be lonely this Easter without you to hold this Easter. Right, there you go, folks. That's the end of that. That fits perfectly. Right. That's a bit different, isn't it? A plastic ring and a coin in an Easter egg. Right. Well, first of all, I suppose we better punch a hole in it. How's everybody doing? Do you like my little friends? I hope everybody's having a great day. No work today. Day off, eh? Oh, we get 2 days off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. There's a few more there as well. Look at this. Everything's decorated. Oh dear. Hey, I hope my people that complain saying I should be more serious of watching this. There you go. This is me being even more serious. Right. Little bunny rabbits there and sheep in the grass. Hey, if you can't have a bit of fun. Last time I was 1975, I think. Right, what do we got? What do we got? Let's try and get a bit more central, shall we? Right, here we go. I'm tempted to eat my girlfriend's part of the Chucky, really, but I won't. Come get your Chucky, darling, and it'll all be gone. I don't want it. You have to come and get your Chucky. I'm being creative here, darling. I bet everybody's on the edge of their seat today because it's Easter. Is it going to work? Is he going to split his ring? We don't know split rings at Easter, I tell you. You got 4 days of chilling on the sofa and, you know. Right, let's show it a bit of love. With Bernie. Wherever Bernie is, there he is. It's funny you can get these Kinder eggs with coins in them nowadays. It's amazing. It's amazing. Right, let's get a bit of kitchen roll, dry it off, and we'll go over to I think that's a bit too big. Yep, I think this one's just right. So we're going to go with Georgia. We go for Georgia face down, so that's going to be sunny side up on the ring. It's exciting, isn't it? It's everybody having an Easter egg. Hey Gary, Bear, you having Easter eggs today? What about Doris? Did you get Doris? Did you get your wife an Easter egg, Bear? I mean, Gary. Come on, did you? If not, why not? That went rather sexy. Right. Let's clean up the edge. Make sure it's looking good. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's go over to the one and only Mr. Spike. There you go, little Easter egg there. And I need a bit of kitchen roll. This is my ring stretcher. You give a bit of a turn each time. That's so it stretches the ring equally all the way around. How's that looking? Well, there's no bow in it now. So now we're going to go to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dies. Do a little bit of a lube. And we'll give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1-2. How's that looking? Not too bad, not too shabby, as they say. Right. I dare say it's got a bit of a lip on the inside. Yep. Well, it's Easter, for God's sake, come on. Right, there you go, it's a bit oily. So, where is, there she is. There she is, here he is. Dave the Dremel, and there's Kate Bush. You can check out my shop, it's in the description below. You hit that, it'll take you straight there. It's yourfingermyring.com. I do custom work, you can send me your own coins if you want. I don't just do rings, I do bracelets now, earrings, toe rings, cufflinks, there may be beads. It all depends what Bear thinks of my bead effort. Right, what's happening now? Are we going to polish this or not? That's a nice looking ring. Wow. I don't think I've done a Georgia ring before. Have I got my polishing? I had to clean up a bit because getting ready for the there we go. Let's give it a polish. It'll be lonely this Easter without you to hold. Now, am I the original Elvis Presley, do you think? I could be, couldn't I? You know. Did I die? Or did I move to Finland, get out of the rat race. This Easter. Right. Thank you very much. I like this one. It's a really nice coin. I hope all my regulars are having a great Easter. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia. Why do I say it like that, Paul? I don't know. It doesn't even sound Australian, does it? Australia. And Steve. There is more. Ouch. It's getting a bit warm, guys. It's bloody warm air today. Right, what we got? What do we got? Clean off the old mingers. Right, thank you all for the support I've had over the last 9 months, or getting on for 10 months now, probably. Right, a slightly cleaner cloth. All the rings in my shop, I can adjust the size for you. So if you wanted a particular ring that's in there, I can make it larger. I can make it smaller. I can do magic. I have to learn the rest of them words for that song. I know the doobie 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 bit, you know. Right. There you go, folks. I like this Georgia one as well. Yeah, very sexy. That's why I used the kitchen roll. Right, let's get the size. This is a size, This is a size 8 nearly. I can make it a little bigger. I can make it smaller. And it fits this finger absolutely perfectly. Have a great Friday. Have a great Easter. And I'll see you Easter Saturday. Tell me bye-bye. Love you all.